Yeah, it started. Good afternoon, all. This is Ritvik. Yesterday, we have seen the vision and what is the wow factor in the healthcare using AI. And now, today, we'll see the background. Like yesterday, I have said some example like live transcript. Live transcript, let us see that how can it be implemented. It is a real-time assistant that will use it to be live transcript that will take the notes, whatever the doctor suggests. And this must be an voice recognition AI and also support all the native languages, and we use machine learning and an algorithm to highlight the main points, and these main points will be the keynotes for the summary, and this summary will be a short note, and it can be read by the patients and also by the other doctors. If we go to another doctor, they can be this will act as a reference what are the medications suggested by the previous doctor. This is the example of the live transcript, and also discuss the medical shops as an extension of the medical shops. We don't need to wait in a line for taking the medicines after the prescription of the doctor will be directly shared to the medical shops in the hospital. And if the drug combination is not available in the hospital's medical shop, that message will be delivered to the nearest medical shop, and we will get our medicines as soon as possible. That's all from my end. I will hand over to Hasini.
This asked me today. I've done a report on how to do the quality of healthcare, how to improve the healthcare, collect data and analyze the patient outcomes, and in order to achieve this healthcare, must be safe, effective, timely, efficient, equitable, and everyone should be safe. Um, these are the things I've noticed to improve the healthcare. And later, I published a blog in Wix.com. I'll hand over to Basha.
I think Basha is on driving. I will take care it from now. As I am, me and Basha has been discussed since the two sector meetings. According to those, these are the points according in background: what, how, when, and why. What we are, I think we discussed it through the previous sector. What are the products we are going to produce to their sector, like the industries, how means how this the product how the product will be used to their sectors, and when you are going to update like or the and the product quality issues and may increases the bugs and the updates will go into, and why are we targeting these sectors, and what is the main target to reach this sector in the health, to this product to reach in a health sector and increases the production according to the sector. That's all from me and the Basha. Thank you.